Now looking back at the trade review, so because what do I do after I record this session? I watch the whole video, I watch the whole session again, then I review it. So the one at the back, you're going to see that was the fresh market review. That means after I work, I straight away do it. That means after I trade, I straight away make that video, talking about how I feel and stuff. But now looking back, like the reason why I closed this trade is not that I didn't like what price was showing me, but it's more like I didn't like the fact that I might lose. But basically you can see that my stop loss placement here is already shifted. It's already the risk already has been reduced, and basically the trade is still in play. I would have just shift my stop loss. I will just leave the stop loss there and it will have painted out the 5 handles, because now looking back, yes, it painted out. But now with the current me looking back at the price, I can just see that I wouldn't close the trade. So the reason why I closed the trade is because I was afraid of losing. And yeah, sometimes in trading you just gotta tell yourself losing is just being part of profitable. So yeah, that's the story of this watching here. Yeah, and after that you can see basically what I was just doing is I was just tape reading, and as you can see that it's all-time high and literally tape readed. All the targets was reached. The Monday relative equal highs, all the Monday highs, all the target was reached. So basically that was it. And we even today was a big trending day. We even reached the weekly CE week, which I was aiming for, the 5961 level. So this is just the full tape read session, and that you guys can see, but it's going to be a sped up version, so most likely you won't understand what I'm saying. But basically this is also a proof to show you guys that this is what we do every day. Okay, this is what we do every day. After I trade, I still continue studying, and I see if the price is going to reach the levels I'm expecting for. And it's all about gaining that experience, because the more experience you gain and by seeing in the charts, the more you look at the charts, the more you see pain out, the more you're going to trust it. And then one day, before you realize it, you will just have that confidence in just taking that trade without thinking twice. It will be like inside a muscle memory kind of thing. So yeah, that's basically it. So you can see I was aiming for the Nasdaq Six Sister idea, and basically that would have been a really nice trade. But again, because that time looking back, you see I hesitated, but now looking back with the me now seeing back, it was a really nice trade. And that's basically why we can expect Nasdaq Six Sister, because you can see S&P and Dow is literally above that same swing high. Okay, remember time is very important. Okay, that is why you can expect S&P and Dow is going to pull, it's going to drag Nasdaq up, because it is confirmed by dollar pulling lower as well. So if dollar goes lower, it's easier for indices to go higher. So everything was just in alignment today. So that was a very nice Nasdaq Six Sister idea. And yeah, just enjoy, and you can watch like how this called tape reading. I just literally just draw all the PD areas out, like where I expect to act as support, where I expect to resistance, and that is basically it. And all the trade levels is based on high time frame charts. Okay, so that's basically it. Also, another thing I want to say is that you guys may think like, oh my god, it's so complicating. You are looking at so many charts, like the DXY, the Dow, the Nasdaq, the S&P. You're looking at 3 charts, but you're trading one only. It's because the charts that I'm looking at, so basically Nasdaq and S&P and Dow, they move together. Means if one make higher lows, other two should make higher lows as well. So right now the situation here is that if dollar is going lower, means it's risk off. Okay, so if dollar is pulling lower, indices, forex, everything is more likely to go higher. And when we go higher, that is a symmetry market. But sometimes we have decoupling. Okay, the Tuesday, basically 10 a.m. news. Yeah, so basically that is what you can see. It's not actually that complicating. It's just basically when you use ICD concepts, right, it basically apply on every single market that you use. So it's more like if you are studying charts that is correlated to it, like Nasdaq, it can give you a lot of feedbacks. Just like if Nasdaq form a BC and it supports there, and if you are likely in a bullish trade, then you can expect S&P to do the same. But Dow is a bit stubborn, okay? So for today, it's just like that. Nasdaq and S&P and Dow was above the swing high. They were firm above the swing high. So, and with dollar going lower, that is a confirmation that, they are going to drag. They're going to drag Nasdaq up. That's what I call the Six Sister trade idea, okay? So yeah, that's it. So enjoy the whole trade week, and later the trade view portion is going to be a little more fresh because that day we ate donuts. So yeah, I did the review with Joshua eating donuts. You can see Joshua popping up a lot. So yeah, that's basically it. Hey guys, welcome to another trade review. I'll make it short and sweet this time. So yeah, as you can see, price, I was aiming for 5 handles, but then later I didn't like how the price was moving. So yeah, I literally just got out at 3 handles because
I see.
price was literally just not reacting like how I want it to be.
I see.
Then later I was being patient. I was thinking I want to wait for another trade, and then so the trade that I was looking at was Nasdaq Six Sister Idea trade, and yeah, I was being patient the whole time, and I was also struggling, asking myself, should I take the trade? Which I was itching to take the trade because basically I was just thinking, okay, I just need another like $10, but I saw a Nasdaq Six Sister trade idea, and trading Nasdaq Six Sister idea has been one of my models because from the past that I've been doing my studies, that was basically the only reason that I would trade Nasdaq. And this time, because I hesitated a little bit, so I missed the trade, and I was just telling myself, okay, just study and be contented with the 3 handles that I got. And literally today was just a really nice trending day. Reach up to the targets, the weekly CE week, the daily CE week targets all was reached. And yeah, I was thinking I want to just wait through the lunch hour, but no, I'll be contented with the 3 handles. And yeah, as you can see, Joshua eating the donuts. We are partying today with donuts again.
Supper, baby, supper.
Yeah, so right now it's 11 o'clock. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in another trade video. And baby donuts. Yeah, it's free. Because I'm looking some donut place right now. And yeah, what a fresh trade video it is.